Chapter 17, Third-Party Rights. Assignments and delegations is the first part of the chapter. Privity of contract is a contract or a private agreement between parties that have entered into it. Assignments. The effects of assignments are the assigner, which is a party that assigns rights for a third party. An assignee is the party that is receiving the rights. Obligee is a person that has a duty or obligation that needs to be owed. Obliger is a person that has to perform the duty. The effects of the assignments. If rights of a contract are assigned unconditionally, then the rights of the assigner are gone. Then the assignee takes over the rights of the assigner had. Assignments. Form of the assignment is an assignment that can be in any form, oral or written. Written assignments, however, must be covered by the Statute of Frauds for it to be enforceable. Assignments. They cannot be signed if it is prohibited by the state, if the contract is personal, if the assignment changes duties or risks of the obliger. Assignments. Notice of assignment. When the assignment is made, the assignee should notify the obliger of the assignment. Priority issues. Who has priority depends on if the right was assigned to two different people. The notice of assignment. Potential for discharge by performance to the wrong party. The obliger has the ability to discharge his or her obligation to the assignee until the obliger has notice of the assignment. Delegations. A party that can transfer duties through delegation is a delegator, a party that delegates the duties, and a delegatee, the party who the duties are delegated to. Duties that cannot be delegated. When trust has been placed in the obliger, depends on personal skill or the talents of the obliger. Effects of delegation. Obligee must accept the performance from the delegatee. The delegator still has valid delegation of duties under the contract. Third-party beneficiaries is the second part of the chapter. It's a person who the original parties that the contract intended to benefit at the time of contracting. The types of intended beneficiaries are creditor beneficiary, which is the benefits of a contract that the promisor promises to pay a debt that the promisee owes to the third party. The donor beneficiary is a contract that is made for the purpose of giving a gift to a third party. Restatement of contracts doesn't distinguish between types of intended beneficiaries. Rights of the intended beneficiary vest. Third party beneficiary cannot enforce a contract that is against the original parties until the rights of the third party have been vested. Vest is a contract that expressly allows original contracting parties that cancel or modify the contract. Beneficiaries. An incidental beneficiary is a third party whose benefit was not the reason that the contract was formed. Intended versus incidental beneficiaries. Courts focus on intent by the surrounding circumstances to determine whether the third party is an intended or incidental beneficiary.